You see, there are people that are very terrible. They they do as if they are with you, but they are not with you. They take information from you and go and set you up. They take from there, bring to you, clash heads together. That is why at every point in time, don't throw yourself to people. The Bible says Jesus knows the heart of men. He did not entrust himself to people. There are times in life that this lesson comes to us through the hard way. And so at every point in time, when you are dealing with people, you should know that you can also be dealing with potential serpents. I have come to understand by experience that you can think within you that you are being good to me or to people, and they don't see anything good in your goodness. But for you, within you, you feel and you think, and everything you are doing, you think that you are being good. But the people or the person that you are doing these things to does not see it like that, does not value what you think you are doing, your disposition, your kindness. That is human nature. And when you encounter human nature by experience and not from learning, it makes you to think deeply about humanity. You see, when you are dealing with people, you must understand that there is no technology available to understand the mind of people. The mind. There's no technology that is available for you to understand the manner of person you are dealing with. Because Samson did not know the mind of Delilah. She was busy looking for information from his mouth to use it to nail him. That is the nature of human beings. And does that mean that you should not be good? Let me share this story with you. A man, one day, he saw a wounded snake, and the snake was almost dead. So the man went and picked the snake, the serpent, went home, washed the bruises, the wounds, and took the snake to a doctor. They mended the snake. He took the snake home, began to feed the snake, took proper care of the snake. And then one day, he was passing by, and the snake prepared itself and struck. And people came, kill the snake, kill the snake. And the snake was crawling away. The old wise man said, "No, I will not kill the snake. It is in my nature to show kindness. It is in my nature to be good. It is in my nature to help. But it is in the nature of the serpent to bite. So the serpent demonstrated its nature. And I have demonstrated my nature. And as the serpent was going, a car came and crushed it. And that was the end of the serpent. The man treated himself and it's okay. Pains from betrayal may not last permanent. May not last permanent. So you must understand that the people you love most, you love most, that you feel within you, you are good to them. It does not mean that they will see and interpret your goodness and kindness in the proportion you discharge it. And it does not mean that they will pay you back in the same proportion of kindness that you have given out. So does that mean I should not be good? Does that mean you should not be kind? Does that mean you should not help? I went somewhere one day, and in the UK here, and we in Nigeria, Nigerians were there. So I came with a friend, and there's this Nigerian guy just walked in, just a young man in his 20s with an atmosphere of arrogance. Just walked in, barged in, didn't greet anybody, went and sat down. And he had made an arrangement with Uber to come and pick him. Then when we finished the program and the people were leaving, and the guy was stranded. It was around 7 minutes past 8. He was stranded. And he was busy going from one car to another. Nobody was willing to help him. I saw him. I told my friend, I said, stop this car. He stopped. I came down. I went to him. I said, come, what is the problem? He said, my Uber failed me. And now this place, I am stranded. I had to start looking for, talking to people. There was a lady that came with a car, went and met her. I said, please, where are you going to? She says, going to Stockton on this. I said, please, even though this guy is going to Middlesbrough, and me, I am not going there now. Please, take this guy to that your area so that he can get the next bus. The next, from that place to where he's supposed to go, is just like 10 minutes drive. So because of me, the lady stopped and picked him. But when he came, initially he was arrogant, was pompous, with air of rascality. So, if it is in your nature to help, because somebody betrayed you, somebody offended you, somebody hurt you, it shouldn't mean that you shouldn't help others. No. Don't allow the evil in men to corrupt your good nature. Don't allow the bad nature of men to corrupt your goodness. Whether they know that what you have done to them is good or bad, and they desire to pay you back in their own way, good and fine, let God be the judge. Continue doing that which you feel and know is good. Continue.